Hi everyone and welcome in this new tutorial. We'll see how to create this simple animation using an animated subject found on sketchfab.com. The model is free to use and you'll find the download link in the description. Let's start adding a camera and framing it properly. Open HDRi Maker 2.0 and under the Open Work category, let's find a texture that fits our needs. Let's now click to Add and switch to Rendered View. Let's now project our HDRi clicking on HDRi Projected. Since the eye of our subject winks, as you can see here, we can add a couple of keyframes on the camera position and zoom to make our animation more dynamic. To simulate the camera shake, let's add a keyframe to the delta transform, and in the graph editor, let's add a noise modifier to every channel, changing the phase and the offset to have some variations. Add an empty near the eye for the depth of field settings. And let's now easily add a plane, scale it up a bit, and then toggle wrap and height. Let's just subdivide it and distort it a bit more to give it a more interesting look and a less flat result. To better integrate our subject with the environment, let's just cut some simple dry grass asset and adjust ambient occlusion and screen space reflections. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.